Look around. Notice how certain shapes and structures seem to repeat themselves, getting smaller or larger, but keeping the same basic form. This is recursion, something containing a smaller version of itself. It's a fundamental idea that pops up everywhere in nature. Now let's shrink down to the incredibly tiny world of quantum physics. Imagine two particles linked in a strange way called entanglement. Even when they're far apart, they seem to instantly influence each other. It's a kind of interconnectedness that echoes the idea of recursion, a link that persists across scale. And think about how quantum particles themselves aren't always definite. They exist in a blur of possibilities until we measure them. This inherent uncertainty has a recursive quality, branching into different potential outcomes. Observe a tree, how its trunk splits into branches, which further divide into smaller twigs. Now picture a river delta, its main stream fracturing into smaller and smaller channels. It's the same branching pattern repeating at different sizes. Even the vast structure of the cosmos, with galaxies clustered in filaments, shows a similar web-like structure. Could this be a cosmic recursion, a fundamental blueprint echoing across all scales? Recursion isn't just about space, it's about time too. Think of cycles, the Earth orbiting the Sun, the beating of a heart. In the quantum world, particles can also exhibit cyclical behaviors, like electrons orbiting a nucleus, or the constant creation and annihilation of virtual particles. These repeating processes are like temporal recursions, patterns unfolding over and over. Consider a cauliflower cloud, or a cumulus cloud on a partly sunny day. Look at its overall puffy shape. You'll notice it has rounded, bumpy structures. Now, focus on one of those bumps. You'll likely see that it's also made up of smaller, rounded, bumpy structures. If you could zoom in even closer, you'd see those smaller bumps are themselves composed of even tinier, similar-looking formations. This self-similarity across different scales is a form of recursion. The overall cauliflower shape is repeated in the smaller parts that make up the whole cloud. Each smaller puff resembles the larger cloud in its general form, just at a reduced size. It's like a pattern echoing within itself as you look closer. Consider how we think. We can have thoughts about thoughts, ideas branching off other ideas. It's a recursion of the mind. And when we try to understand the universe, especially the strange rules of quantum physics, we often build upon previous ideas, creating a recursive structure of knowledge. Each new layer of understanding builds upon what came before. From the smallest quantum interactions to the largest cosmic structures, we see this theme of self-similarity and repetition. Recursion appears to be a fundamental principle, a kind of cosmic code woven into the fabric of reality. It suggests a deep interconnectedness, where the same basic rules might apply at vastly different scales. The universe is full of echoes, patterns repeating at every level. Understanding recursion, this idea of things containing smaller versions of themselves, can give us a new way to see the world, from the quantum realm to the vast expanse of space. Curious to explore these fascinating connections further? Dive deeper into the worlds of quantum physics and the concept of recursion. Share. Hit the like, subscribe, comment. What repeating patterns do you see in the universe around you? The quantum world and the cosmos might be speaking the same language of patterns. Learn to decipher it